My name is Jeff Ryan. I'm leading the COVID-19 task force here at Jacksonville State University. I hope you're watching this after the introduction I did on COVID-19. This is an addendum to that general presentation. The point of this short presentation is to give you some ideas on how to protect yourself and get prepared. Let's get started. You may have read many different things about COVID-19. It's real, but there is no need for any of us to panic. Our goal is to keep you calm and cooperative. We'll do this through the sharing of accurate and relevant information. That information will make you more knowledgeable and able to make the best decisions for you, your family, and your friends. I can't predict the future, but I can assure you that our world has faced threats that are far, far more serious than COVID-19. This is not the Black Death or Spanish flu. We are prepared, and we are continually improving our preparedness posture. You too can do the same. No matter if you are a student, a member of the faculty, or a staff member, we all have an obligation to care for ourselves and be responsible adults. I've put together another short video for you to get some ideas on how to do this. My hope is that you find this informative and useful. Now, in 2020, we have COVID-19. It's believed that the virus emerged in late 2019, but wasn't announced until January 2020. COVID-19 is the name of the disease. The virus that causes it has been named SARS-CoV-2. It is more genetically related to SARS-CoV-1 than any other coronavirus. This originated in Hubei province, China. Its reservoir is unknown. There have been more than 100,000 cases with 3,570 deaths. Those numbers are merely an estimate. COVID-19 has spread rapidly. In less than 2 months, cases have been reported in more than 90 countries. Much is still unknown about COVID-19. However, its primary means of transmission is believed to be human to human through respiratory droplets. Those droplets are propelled into the air by the coughing and sneezing of an infected patient. So far, it looks like roughly 80% of the cases are mild. Those infected remain at home and get better on their own. Roughly 15% of case patients will be seen by a doctor and receive treatment to improve their condition. About 5% of patients will require hospitalization. Those most affected are the elderly, especially those patients that have an underlying health condition. Here are some things that students can do to ensure their success at JSU. Continue to monitor JSU COVID-19 messages. We will share accurate, timely, and relevant information. Stay healthy by practicing good hygiene, getting plenty of sleep, exercising routinely, and focus on eating healthy foods. What you know works to prevent the flu also works for COVID-19. Avoid people that are coughing and sneezing. Wash your hands often. Avoid touching your face. Sanitize your phone. Finally, visit a medical facility if you become ill. Call ahead. We have particular concerns for our student interns. Some of you operate in an environment that is at higher risk for COVID-19. The first is nursing students working in healthcare settings. You may be at high risk. However, you know that this is an important part of the learning experience. To keep yourself in the game, you should do the following. Study and practice infection control procedures. Ensure that you are properly protected. It may be appropriate for you to wear gloves, eye protection, and an N95 respirator. When working with respiratory patients, always protect your airway. Finally, request personal protective equipment training from your mentor. If you are a School of Education intern, you work in an environment that often has sick children. This is especially true in cold and flu season. Here are some things that you can do. Get children to frequently wash hands or use hand sanitizer. Send ill students to see the school nurse. Routinely treat surfaces with disinfectants. If you become ill, see a doctor. If you have been told that you have been exposed to COVID-19, contact your internship mentor and your JSU instructor immediately. You have invested a tremendous amount of time, effort, and money in the pursuit of your academic goal. Develop a personal plan for staying on track with your studies. Dropping out of class could be costly in a number of ways. Do not travel to COVID-19 hotspots. We will keep our website up to date on what those areas are. Finally, strive to keep yourself healthy.